Good morning, sir. My name is Franklin T. Filasarta from BIT1D, and this is my report presentation. Introduction. Electrical machine includes devices like motors, generators, and transformer, possess several key characteristics. These characteristics can be categorized based on their operational principles, construction, and application. There are three types of electrical machine: motor, generator, and transformer. Types of electric motor. The following are: stepper motor. Stepper motor commonly used for motor. Synchronous motor, commonly used in industrial. Shaded pole motor, commonly used in electric fan, and it's automatic because it has own coil. AC induction motor, produced from outlet, while DC brush motor, produced from batteries. Three-phase motor, have three line which is three live. Single-phase motor, single induction motor with live and neutral. Types of generator: alternator, produce AC; generator, produce DC; industrial generator, created to supply big companies. There are three essential components of transformers: primary coil, core, and secondary coil. Types of transformers: step down, mostly used in substation; step up, used in power plant. Isolation type, commonly used in commercial. If primary have troubleshoot, secondary will be effective. Single phase, instrument type, used to measure. Iron core type, use metal as core. Three phase, for three phase power supply. Ferrite core, earthing type, power type. Torredial core, current type, to measure current on big power supply. Operational characteristics of electrical machine. Speed, the rational speed of the machine which can be constant, synchronous machine, or variable. Torque, commonly found in a motor and generator. It is the strength. Power factor, calculate the efficient it is value from 0 to 1. Efficiency, specific in transformers converts electrical energy to mechanical energy or vice versa. Voltage regulation, specific find in generator. Frequency is the rating of an electric. Voltage, current. Types, describe what type of electrical machine it is. Example, single phase, synchronous, asynchronous, and etc. Watt or volt ampere or VA or kilovolt amperes or kVA or kW rating. Depends on what electric machine. Type of cooling mechanism commonly used in motor. Type of magnetic wire used in winding of the transformers, either copper or aluminum. Isolation class, refer to the maximum temperature the insulating materials within the machine can withstand without degrading over time. Constructional characteristics of electrical machine. Stator and rotor, the stationary and rotating parts of the machine respectively, commonly found in generator and motor. Windings, composed magnetic wire, the coils of wire on the stator and rotor. The number of windings and their arrangement determine the machine's voltage and current characteristics. Magnetic materials, substances strongly attached to magnets and easily magnetized. Principle and theory of electric machine. Faraday's law, or law of electromagnetic induction, states that the induced EMF in any closed circuit is equal to the negative of the rate of change of the magnetic flux through the circuit.